Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're playing The Radio Tower. This game, this forest environment, kind of reminds me of Here's a Thousand, you know? Or The Firewatch. 2W games. But let's get into it. Ooh, nice cutscene. Alright. So we're in a truck.
Hey, Johnny. Sorry for the short notice.
What the?
But we really need communication in that area restored as soon as possible.
Don't worry, boss. You're paying me triple the usual, so I'll be quick.
That's the spirit.
Oh,
Just remember,
okay.
the tower is right on the edge of the evacuation zone, so lay low.
Driving off-road now?
Hey everyone, this is Manly Bandit.
At least I don't have to do the subtitles. That'd be vocals, guys. Okay, there's a radio tower there. It's a pretty good game. Pretty solid. Alright. Ah, I love this. I love the lighting. Look at that. I even have a breath, too. Okay, grab the tool belt inside the shed. Guessing this is the shed. Alright, get on the ladder. Okay, let's get right into it then. And this is the ladder, I guess. I don't... Okay, just climb. Okay, start climbing. Grab the screwdriver from your belt. Look down. Press E. Okay. Let's unscrew these. You know that one movie with the tower? I don't know if the two girls. Then like one of them dies. I don't really want to do that right now, but I don't really want to die. How do I get up? What? Oh, I have to put it back down. Oh, okay. Look at that view, though. The mountains in the background. Amazing. The owls. Oh, there's even wind particles. Amazing. Alright. Open and fix electric box. Let's do that. Grab the screwdriver. Open that up. Open that bad boy up. Alright. We got some, like, Dead by Daylight things. Or Among Us, if you could say. That's still a thing anymore. Gotta close that. I think we're good. Screwdriver back. W job. Oh, look, there's even a lake. Awesome. I wouldn't do this for a job, but you know, something. It's so funny the screws just fall down. I hit somebody. Was I supposed to do that? That. Don't think I was supposed to do that, but let's keep going. I'm pretty sure I wasn't. I don't know. I just no. Alright. This is the next electrical box, I think. Yep. Alright. Grab the screwdriver. Open that up. Oh, spiders. Did not scare me. I don't get scared easily. You can check my other videos, I just don't. Okay, close that. Go back up. Speed running this. Yeah, I think this is a little too high up. You know. Oh no, I think this is dusk, I think. Better be night. And you're doing this at night, almost. Kinda risky, don't you think? I don't think I'm supposed to do that. But I'm gonna do it anyways. I should hit somebody. Oops. Oh, okay. What was that? Did you see that? Is that just me? Alright. He's like... Oh shit. What is that? What? The Skinwalker? Run? Holy shit. Bro, the attendants should slow it down. Shit. I think it's slowing me down. It's slowing me down instead. Yeah. Okay, chat. I think we're dead. Uh. I think we died. Let's do that over again. Okay, speed run. Okay. Run. Come on. Run. Shit, I'm done. It's over, guys. It's over. I already screwed it up. Shit. This is not good for me. I don't think this is good for me. Oh my goodness. I didn't equip it. I'm so dumb. I'm so dumb. I'm so dumb. I'm so dumb. I died again. Let's do this again. What? Do I just win? Oh no, okay. Alright. He spawned down there. Okay. Okay, first one's done. Not really that fast. We got it. Got it under control, I think. I don't think we do, actually. I might actually. Do this one fast enough. Pretty sure I will. I don't know. Buildings over there. Nice. Don't look down, guys. Don't look down, chat. It's okay. Oh, we're done. Oh, we're not done. I think we're good. Looks like a miniature escape. We gotta be quick, though. Just in case. What? Okay, one there. One there. Green. Alright, blue. The company needs you. No thanks, Mr. President, Mr. Government. But Mr. I don't know. What is that? Is there more down there? Oh. Oh. Wait, is this the apocalypse? No way. My family. My family lives there. They're dead. They're gone. I don't know what to do. What is happening, honestly? Answer the phone from your belt. Hello? Johnny. We are so fucked. God, they're everywhere. You have to restore communications right now. The city's done for. I got you, man. You hear me, Johnny? The company needs you. Hi, guys. The company needs me. Restore. Oh. Disrupt and escape alone. Oh, shit. Oh, this is a nice philosophical question. Restore and contact the company. Disrupt and escape alone. I'm sorry, I don't want to die. The company seems a little weird. 6 months later. 6 months after. Whatever. Today's humanity's last hope. The Greenland fortress has fallen. Vaccine research has completely halted. Oh, I don't have to say it because it's talking right now. My bad, guys. So I kind of fucked the world up, I think. I'm pretty sure I think I made the wrong decision on my part. That was a nice short indie game, I think. I loved the visuals, you know? That's a nice concept, like an apocalypse starting while you're just fixing a radio tower. I like that. Pretty good. Want more videos like this? Consider watching my other videos. And subscribe, guys. See you in the next one.